What is bowlegs no more? This is a digital program based on simple routine of exercises aimed at straightening your bowlegs. It is actually a book by Sarah Brown, which offers a comprehensive program for treating bowlegs. I may also refer this as an ebook consisting of several exercise routines all aimed at helping those who suffer from bowlegs or other issues involving the formation of the legs. Based on Sarah's need to create an effective solution, she walks users through exercises, all natural remedies, as well as lifestyle adjustments that can help reduce the effects of bowlegs. The program also helps the users to improve their posture and the way they walk. Following this program will also help you to prevent illness in the joints from developing, letting them live healthier lives. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Does bowlegs no more work? It is just simple step-by-step natural exercises, which commonly are done at home. This system is developed by a person who understands what it really means to have bowlegs. She suffered from bowlegs, applied for the program and it worked for her. It is 100% natural and safe, hence it can be done in the privacy of your home. Teachings derived from bowlegs no more. Ways on which you should follow to straighten your legs. Exercises that can comfortably be done at home. The reason behind leg curvature. How to strengthen legs. A formula to measure and track progress. The difference between O curvature and X curvature. Ways to accelerate the healing process. Treatments that don't involve exercise. And finally, the exercise that corrects bowlegs. Generally, I believe that this program is a great option for anyone suffering from bowlegs or knocked knees, especially when surgery is not advisable. That's all. For more information, click the link below.